Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to apply senior citizen discount in Cebu Pacific. Okay, so take note that senior citizens in the Philippines are entitled to a 20% discount plus VAT exemption on the base fare for domestic flights. As long as they are eligible and have a valid senior citizen ID, then this discount only applies to the airfare, not the baggage, seats, or add-ons. Okay, just go to the official Cebu Pacific website or the mobile application. That's right. And then you just have to enter the region, the destination, the travel date, and the number of passengers. So let me just log in once again. Okay, so you just have to select your um, airport. So for example, Manila, Philippines. And then your destination. So for example, we are going to Malaysia. That's right. Okay. And then your travel dates. Okay. And then tap on select date. And then search flights. Okay. And then after that, you just have to select your ticket. Okay. This one. And then just go basic. After that, you just have to tap on continue and then enter the passenger details correctly. So when filling out passenger information input, you have to type out the senior citizen's full name and birth date exactly as shown on their ID. So look for the passenger type option and select the senior citizen. Okay. So once it is applicable to your booking or to Cebu Pacific, then you'd be able to get discount for senior citizen. And then after selecting the flight, you just have to go to the fare breakdown or booking summary, and then you'd be able to see there the 20% discount applied and the VAT exemption reflected. So double check it before proceeding and then proceed with add-ons if needed, then go to the payment and then pay this booking, and then you just have to confirm your booking. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video will solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.